हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बड़ी ही सैड एपिसोड होने वाली है, तो कुछ हैप्पी स्टार्ट करें। नो नॉनसेंस चीज़ केक इज़ विद अस। बाबा शेख आ चुके हैं। आप कैसे हैं सर?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
जस्ट
अच्छा
मी,
वहाँ पे देखना है। अच्छा,
दिस इज़ योर कैमरा बट यू कैन लुक एट मी,
that's my
इट्स
camera.
नॉट अ
Okay, I'm
प्रॉब्लम।
good. I appreciate that you asked me over for an episode. Like you said, it will probably be an emotional episode. शायद आंसू आ जाएं, शायद इनके आंसू आ जाएं.
ओनली थिंग
But
दैट मेक्स आंसू बेटर इज़ केक,
yeah, always a cake.
एंड आई हर्ड ये एक न्यू फ्लेवर है जो
So this is a cake that has not been released yet. ये सिर्फ आपके लिए आया
नो
है.
प्रेशर, बट आई एम नॉट यूजली अ फैन ऑफ चीज़ केक, बट
That's
नो
fine.
नॉनसेंस चीज़ केक का मैं फ़ैन हूँ, सो
Yeah, hope you like it.
गुड। This is very chocolatey.
So it is. So that's the idea.
Hmm.
That's the idea.
Does it review खाकर फॉरन?
It's
For
okay.
people
Even.
who don't know बाबर, अगर आप हे ब्रेस्टी फॉलो नहीं करते तो एक तो फॉलो करें। इसी पॉडकास्ट पे हमने
Yeah.
ज़ारा को बुलाया था, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई थॉट इतना जल्दी नहीं होगा।
यार I know.
आई थॉट हम शुरू में इमोशनल नहीं होंगे।
मुझे सोच के भी एक सेंसेशंस हो रही हैं, ये सोच के कि वो यहीं पे भी आई थी. She sat on this
Yeah.
seat across you and it wasn't so long ago either.
या आई थॉट कि
लेकिन I will also add that she always spoke to me about how she felt like we should interview, me and Zara should interview at the same time also, because she was of the opinion always that humans need to see how humans should be, and that's not enough in our society at least.
या मैं भी अभी इनको आपकी रील भी दिखा रहा था, यू नो, जो आप
I know,
इसके
I know,
बाल
I know.
बना रहे हैं, and it
Yeah,
was just like,
yeah. Yeah, that was a tough time. Still is.
मे बी ये इधर ही बातें छोड़ते हैं हम। कुछ अभी आपने कल स्टोरी डाली थी जब आपने लम्स में
Yeah.
पहली दफ़ा देखा।
हाँ,
मे
वो-
बी हैप्पी थॉट्स पहले।
So, yeah, so वो ये कि असल में in all of this story what complicates
माइक थोड़ा, हाँ, या
in all of this what really complicates everything is the fact that Zara and I were together since the age of 18. So, you know, since the age of 18 to the age of 33, it's a while, right? And then that is the age where
Yeah.
you enter adulthood, and then you have those experiences as adults, which included a lot of stuff like shadi hui, phir we shifted houses 3 times as well, and then she got ill, she got all right, she got ill again, and she was just the most amazing human ever, and someone who really supported, like you know, everyone appreciate, like आजकल तो ऐसा हो रहा है कि everyone's just appreciating how I am, right, as a human or as a husband, and I feel like she enabled it in me, ठीक है, because we just supported each other and we were each other's strengths. There were things that I could do, there were things that she could do, and our equation, it just added up. So we first saw each other 2011, and I don't know if it's true or not, but in my own head is this whole image. You know, Shams ki alleys hoti thi, aapko to yaad hai, right? So I was in an alley, I'm entering it, and then at the end of that alley, at the end of that alley, I saw her sitting alone, you know, और अब वो फुल एक इंडियन इमेज आ गई है कि, you know, जैसे एक इंडियन फिल्म होती है ना, हाँ, बिल्कुल भी
म्यूजिक बज
इस टाइप की आवाज़ें आ रही थी मुझे. So that's my first ever image of her, and I mean, obviously at that time it was just infatuation, as it is at that age, but that was the first time I stopped to say, you know, I like this girl, or I can appreciate how she's attractive. उसके बाद फिर we started speaking to each other, and then the rest is history, as they say.
कैसे आपने आस्क आउट किया?
यार अभी ज़्यादा information हो रही है. But चलें, अब तो it's out there. अब तो I think everyone's old enough to discuss these things. So SDSB, like आपको याद है जो हमारा ACF accounting and finance का school था हमारा, मुझे याद है. Again, sounds a very Indian filmy thing, but we were out. It was like 11th April 2012, And at that stage we had started speaking to each other like a lot and hanging out a lot, but we were just friends still. So 11th April 2012 we were out. मुझे आज तक याद है कि हम SDSB के सामने थे and it started to rain and it was us and a few of our friends. और हुआ ऐसे कि होते होते it was only us two and we were like it's raining, we need shelter. तो हम SDSB की एक एज का एक हुड था उधर, उसके नीचे आ गए हम. And that's when hands sort of locked and I expressed that I like you and you know, how do you feel about this? And that's when she also obviously said that she likes me too, and that's how it started. And उसके बाद तो फिर उसके बाद like so our story is actually a very Indian filmy story. How is it Indian and filmy? जब मेरी अम्मी अब्बा को आइडिया हो गया somehow that ये हो रहा है, you know, they're the old school mentality कि जी कि तुम उधर एक एम से आए हो, you need to study and you can't afford these distractions, ये वो. So then they were just like not okay with it once they got to know about it. होते there were a lot of issues where families involved हो गई. This was all at Lums, सही है. तो there was a lot of opposition, but through all of that we still stuck together. Lums end हो गया, फिर ये सारा हो गया कि जी अब हमारी उम्र हो गई है, शादी नहीं हुई है अभी तक, ये वो. So I was like हाँ soon, like I'm not earning enough, etc. all of those excuses जो एक आदमी है उसके पास होती हैं. Zara, she was always someone who like achieved everything. ठीक है, वो ऐसी थी. एक टाइम आया, this was around 2017, she said to me, look, शादी अब नहीं हो रही ना हमारी. And I said नहीं I'm on it. She's like I'm out. She's like I'm applying abroad. जैसे ही ऑफर आएगी I'm out. You can stay here if you want. And then उस पे भी जो मेरी एक आउटलुक थी, I said कि ठीक है, इतना आसान नहीं होता कि यहाँ से बस you apply and you can, you know, just leave. She applied, she got 2 or 3 offers. In like a few weeks, she said to me that I'm off. I've accepted an offer in Thailand. See you around. 2018 में हुआ ये. And that's when I was like, oh my God, now I need to do something. मेरी अम्मी से फिर मेरी थोड़ी इस बात पे arguments हुई कि ये वो. Eventually, obviously, so they agreed, and then we got married end of 2018. And we so तकरीबन हमारी 6 साल तो अभी हुए थे. ज़ारा के इंतकाल से तकरीबन 1 हफ्ता पहले.
शादी के कितने साल बाद your mom and dad were like we're so sorry, अब now that we know her what were we even thinking?
नहीं अब तो so अच्छा, so our issues they didn't end at that, right? शादी पे सब कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो गया. शादी हुई, फिर obviously थोड़े से जो होते हैं in-laws issues, ये वो. So then we had to shift out of my house. जो मेरी अम्मी का house था, we shifted out of that. And that was also, I would say, a huge step for us as well, because it came with a lot of emotional strings attached. क्योंकि obviously यहाँ पे तो ये बातें भी acceptable नहीं होती, right? There is that stigma attached to it, ठीक है. But I had to, like, अपने लिए, for her as well, for us. So I took that step. But after that, alhamdulillah, I would say कि things improved a lot for everyone. एक जब आदमी है, उसकी अम्मी और उसकी वाइफ उसको 2 हाफ्स में खींच रही हों, so वो एक आदमी ही आपको समझा सकता है कि वो क्या एक्सपीरियंस होता है. So and I was experiencing that.
With what I was maybe getting at is also that once you get to know Zara, she's not an easy person to dislike.
Yes. Exactly. She's not. She just had this ability to be approachable to everyone, acceptable to everyone. सब उसमें बस एक ability थी कि she had that smile about her. She could say a few things and you just feel at home. She had that ability in her.
Yeah, I think even जब मेरी थोड़ी nervous laughters आ रहे हैं in case somebody's listening and is like ये हंस क्यों रहा है, हंस नहीं रहा, ये
नहीं
मेरे
नहीं, you speak from
problems है.
experience as well. And
So
also
it's so even अगर आप even with the relapse, you know, the videos, you could see that she's hurting about this,
yeah,
but she still has that smile, and you're like, in terms of the energy you're putting out, it's still positive, even if we can see that this has destroyed you.
yeah,
But you still have that smile, you're still radiant after and you're
For
like,
sure.
यार मतलब
एजाद ऑनेस्टली इस टाइप की इंस्टेंसेस में जहाँ पे इस टाइप की इलनेसेस आती हैं, ठीक है, पीपल से दैट जो अफेक्टी है उसके आसपास जो लोग हैं वो उसकी होते हैं स्ट्रेंथ. आई वुड से फॉर अस इट वाज द ऑपोजिट. Zara's ability to smile through all of that enabled us to be her strength through extension. And वही है कि that's the thing, right? उसमें ये खूबियाँ उसमें थी कि she could just smile through everything. And that's something that you don't see in the world.
अभी वो किसी ने पोस्ट भी पोस्ट would put up that the good ones go first.
Yeah.
People like Zara, you're like, I see why
But
people,
यार इतना young मतलब
I see why people say that, because I don't think anybody has
this is the epitome of it, right?
And anybody has anything negative to say about her. Anybody
Nothing at all.
interacted with her. So yeah,
Nothing at all. And she was so straight-faced as well. But not straight-faced, but she was just not two-faced.
Hmm.
She was emotional and she would show her emotions and she was honest about them. So if nothing else, you could appreciate the honesty that emanated from Zara.
I first met her when she took my stand-up comedy class. I don't know.
I remember this. I remember this.
And then I think she made a set about her mother or some phone.
And also, I think something also about me. Something also about me.
And I think then हमने PSC से भी किया था show या T2F पे किया था.
सिविल
Where she did a
लाइंस में
set.
हुआ था ना एक सेट मुझे.
PSCC में.
हाँ, सिविल लाइंस में था.
Yeah,
मुझे याद है. I attended that.
Yeah, so I know the story को ज़ारा भी आके बता चुकी हैं, but I think अब तक हमने mention नहीं किया for people who don't know.
Yeah.
Breast cancer awareness.
Breast
and
cancer
I
awareness.
see that you're doing a fundraiser for Shaukat Khanam as well. So
yes.
consider this as part of that. Anybody who gets anything worthwhile out of us, Shaukat Khanam Memorial Hospital, please donate. Help.
Yes. You can add the account and all as well, like at the end of this or in the
in
this
But
like
I
as a
think I'm
screenshot.
pretty sure Shaukat Khanam. It's a general Shaukat Khanam. तो किसी को भी मिल जाएगा, गूगल कर लें.
No, but एक उनका जैसे account है.
Account है.
It's just easier ना अगर एक account का आ जाए. So every time I speak about it, every time I speak about it, I just say कि ये account है. We just need the screenshot of that amount sent so that it can be added into the specific account that's opened under Zara's name.
So where do they send the screenshot to? Here to Hey Breasty?
Yes, to any of our accounts, which is if you like cheese or Hey Breasty or any of that.
Whoever
also,
donates.
अगर आप ये एक मिनट उठा देती हैं तो I can also show that.
मैं दिखा देता हूँ.
Packaging जो है हमारी अक्टूबर की है.
This is the Pinktober.
Pinktober packaging that we just launched. आगे इसमें ये भी लिखा हुआ है कि examine yourself regularly. That's the idea of all of this. And every NNCC sold in October, 1/4 of its earnings will go straight to Shaukat Khanam and its construction.
So yeah, so since awareness, let's jump to January 6th, 2022.
Yes. January 6th, 2022. Just another day as it started. At that time, I was employed and I was working at HPL, I think, like at that time. Yeah. So I was at HPL.
Were apparently very nice about.
They were. And then मैं उस वक्त था HPL में. I interviewed after that and I also then switched to Al-Falah after that. They were also extremely understanding. about that उस पे आएंगे फिर. January 6, 2022. Another day, हम लोग उठे थे. I think तो उस दिन तो मेरा ऑफिस था, तो I was about to change and stuff, and then Zara भी उठी थी. She was also at that time employed. she was at an ad agency. She was a strategist at ad company. Sorry, she was at Grey, I think. I'm not sure about that. Khair, anyway, so it was any other day. It was 8-9 a.m. I think I was about to change and leave for office. तो मुझे उसकी आवाज़ है उसने मुझे कहा इधर आओ. So I said yeah, what's up? And she was like, do you feel this? On her left chest there was this hardness just under her skin. And I was like, yes, I could. And that's when we were a bit like, ye kya hai bhai? Obviously still unaware of anything, but just a bit shocked. So that was when we said, उस वक्त तक भी सब कुछ ठीक था. It was aligned. We were like, ठीक है, शायद कोई एक्सरे होगा या कुछ होगा, हम अपॉइंटमेंट है उससे आइडिया होगा. हमने एक अपॉइंटमेंट ली फ्रॉम अ जीपी. शी वाज आल्सो स्केयर्ड. शी सेड अल्ट्रासाउंड होगा. फिर अल्ट्रासाउंड हुआ. अल्ट्रासाउंड के अंदर भी कुछ इमेजिंग में सिस्ट आ रही थी एक. दैट्स व्हेन वी वर लाइक, ओह शिट, देयर इज़ समथिंग टू ऑल ऑफ दिस. फिर आई थिंक हमने आगा खान में अपॉइंटमेंट्स ली. फिर MRIs हुए, स्कैन्स हुए उसके बाद. एंड दैट्स व्हेन इट गॉट confirmed that it's stage 2 breast cancer.
As people who graduated from top universities and generally awareness, before this, was it a conversation? Was it an awareness? Yeah.
Not at all. Not at all. In fact, you'll be shocked at how so in my own family on either side, there's no instance of this illness at all. So हमारे यहाँ और इश्यूज़ हैं. हमारे यहाँ ना हार्ट के इश्यूज़ हैं. अब मेरे अब्बू हैं, उनका इंतकाल हुआ था, उनको हार्ट अटैक हुआ था. And it was instant. Not so long ago either. Just about a year. It'll be 2 years in December. So I've been through the ringer. I've been through the ringer like that. Yeah.
Sorry to hear.
Yeah. So anyway,
but नहीं कोई regular examination, none of that conversation.
कुछ भी नहीं. But also it's नहीं ना. But also is like हमारी situation में age as well, right? So regular examinations होती हैं for females after 40. That's the SOP.
Okay.
That's the SOP, right? Of what I'm aware of, and it is
people
still.
who are listening 30s में please करवा लें.
हाँ, of course.
Yeah.
After all of this, जो मतलब obviously अगर कोई चीज़ हमने सीखी है वो यही है कि there's no age to any of this. There are examples 8 साल, 18 साल, 28 साल, like any age at all.
I
But
think for men with prostate, sure, I think वो ज़्यादा एज के बाद ही होता है.
वो होता है. Yeah.
But for breast cancer, I think everybody who's listening, क्या जा रहा है सेल्फ एग्जामिन में, तो कुछ भी नहीं जा रहा है ना
यार. एक अपॉइंटमेंट होती है, एक स्कैन होगा एनुअली. इट्स एन आवर इन लाइक अ ईयर.
इट्स द मैमोग्राफी, दैट
मैमोग्राम भी होता है. एंड आई थिंक लाइक आई वुड स्टिल से कि लाइक एक अपॉइंटमेंट से आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि ये होने स्कैन्स. डू द स्कैन्स एनुअली. क्या जाता है उसमें यार, क्या जाता है उसमें. तो बट खैर, सो यू वर आस्किंग अबाउट द अवेयरनेस एलिमेंट.
सो बिफोर January 6th नोटिस किया था, इग्नोर कर दिया था, कुछ नोटिस
नहीं उसको देयर वाज़न्ट एनी लाइक इश्यूज.
अच्छा.
उस दिन भी उसको एहसास ऐसे हुआ कि उसकी उंगली इत्तेफाक से उस एरिया पे आ गई तो उसको फील हुआ. देयर वाज़न्ट एनीथिंग अटैच्ड, लाइक देयर वाज़न्ट एनी
फिजिकल मैनिफेस्टेशन.
या there wasn't any other issue. It just felt like it was something hard under her skin. That was about it. So ये भी होता है, right? तो ये तो अवेयरनेस थी नहीं, ज़ीरो अवेयरनेस. तो अब ना हमारे यहाँ ऐसा हुआ था. मैंने अपने अब्बू का सिर्फ जो है लाइक इंतकाल उनका हुआ, हार्ट अटैक हुआ. उनके भी अम्मी अब्बू हैं, उनको हार्ट इश्यूज थे. सो हार्ट एलिमेंट्स वाज द ओनली थिंग आई हैड like I was aware of at that stage in my life. So नहीं थी awareness.
And from that कितना टाइम लगा to get like a पक्का diagnosis? Was an MRI?
हाँ, I think it took about 2 weeks. 2 weeks or so. Like after that 2 to 3 weeks. So January 6th को कोई आइडिया इसका नहीं था हमें. 2 weeks after that we were aware of the whole situation.
And it was stage 2 originally.
It was stage 2.
Stage 2, what is exactly called? -3 some
Triple
triple
negative. Triple
उसका
negative.
क्या मतलब होता है?
So again इसमें I'm a bit
Okay, no technical information.
I'm a
हाँ,
bit
some
flimsy about this, even though I should be aware of this, but basically it's a subtype, right? And it's an extremely aggressive one. It's an extremely aggressive one. तो basically जब हमारे पास ये सब information like आ गई, जो experts का opinion था वो ये था कि you need to start ASAP on an aggressive form of treatment. So I think a month or so after that we started,
this is
and it was aggressive. It was aggressive.
I think जब ज़ारा आई हुई थी यहाँ पर, she was also talking about that. I think there was the idea there was. I forgot the timeline of it exactly, but you have to get the breast removal before chemo, or is it
No, it was after.
after chemo?
It was after. It was after. So she did 16 rounds of that. She did 16 rounds of chemo. Then she had. Then after that, she had a scan. Scan was all okay. But then after that, she had to do 30 rounds of radiation as well. Here after that, she had to go through surgery. And then after that, she also had to do immunotherapy as well.
And even after all of that,
It came back.
it's because of sleeper cells, no? I think that's what she
Yeah.
said in the-
So again, like I feel like यहाँ पे जो एक और issue है ना, there's not enough information either. जो even जो experts हैं ना, उनके पास नहीं है answers आपके. Obviously जब relapse हुआ तो हमारा जो first थी एक चीज़ जो हमने इन expert से ली और जो हम interested थे उसमें ये था कि we were like how, obviously, right? So it's always a either ये either वो either ये either वो, but like answers है नहीं specific, right? But obviously if as someone who goes through such excruciating steps,
Yeah.
right, you expect answers, right? तो yeah, so
Is that
relapse
a-
का ये था कि
Is that a Pakistan problem, or is that वाकई नहीं है?
I don't know. I don't know. But ये है कि I feel like अच्छा जो इधर एक issue है, so in all of this also we took opinions as well from abroad as well. Someone I spoke to in the NHS जो कि England का state वाला hospital
National
वाला
Health Service.
हाँ exactly the NHS. So we spoke to someone like in the NHS और उसके साथ हमने appointment लिया. अब NHS में तो I'm sure आपको idea है कि वहाँ तो appointments नहीं होती, इतना इंतज़ार है ये वो. But someone agreed to speak to us online and we spent an hour उसके साथ. The amount of empathy that I could see, right, just from that exchange of an hour, यहाँ पे तो that's absent. Completely absent. The way they speak to you, the way they allow you to speak and ask stuff and their answers, they're so comprehensive. आपको इत्मीनान होता है जब वो like at the end of that hour ना, जितना आपको एक इत्मीनान होता है वो आपको इधर की कोई 8 अपॉइंटमेंट से भी नहीं हो सकता. So ये चीज़ तो है एक अलग, like abroad और इधर. So you were asking about sleeper cells, right? So that so जो हमारी understanding थी वो ये थी कि initially ही like initial stages के अंदर ही कोई 1 या 2 cells which are those sleeper cells, they're inactive cells, वो एक या किसी like 1-2 areas है उसमें आके वो inactive हो गए and they were sleeping and then they got activated after that. That's when, so जब ज़ारा का relapse हुआ, it was in the spine. We found 2 or 3 spots in her spine. ये भी हमें MRI से idea हुआ eventually. अच्छा इसमें भी अब ये issues. ज़ारा की हर 2 months में 3 months में appointments थी, follow-up appointments थी, ठीक है, just to see if she's okay or not, right? In the last 2-3 appointments, she had started to like ask about this ache in her back, right? अब हम आखिर में appointments होती थी हमारी. अब I'm sure I can't say anything or say specific names or anything, but जो उनकी एक बहुत अच्छी American studied एक expert हैं, she said to her कि probably it's your sleeping angle, or probably जो exercising आपकी है इतनी ज़्यादा हो रही है, शायद उससे झटका आ गया होगा and stuff like that. So for 6 months we took this expert's opinion and said कि ये बस ऐसे ही हो रहा है, ऐसा ही होगा, right? It was only when 6 months after that the ache started to increase, that's when she said, okay fine, MRI होगा, और फिर MRI से हमें idea हो कि जी relapse हो गया. That is the state of our health system and these American educated oncologists.
And so relapse में ये तो नहीं पता होगा कि कितने time. I'm assuming when the ache started, that's probably when
Yeah. So I would
originally happened, right?
Yeah. So Zara की जो MRI हुआ था to see कि हुआ या नहीं, that was in June of 2024. So I would imagine that it was probably 6 months earlier at least कि उसको हो गया था start.
And that was considered stage 4 at that point.
Yes, because it's stage 4 क्योंकि जब original area जो कि आगे वाली थी, जब उधर से if it's in any other area, any other, like other organ और या आपकी हड्डियाँ हैं उसमें आ जाएं, so it's stage 4 because it's spread.
अच्छा, इस तरह से stages
हाँ, like ऐसे होता है stage. Might it could just be like यहाँ पे एक assumption होती है कि that underscores stage 4 underscores that it's just like all over, right?
It's dangerous.
Which could be, but stage 4 is the original like area से spread out हो गया to another area.
तो इसमें अभी मैं देख ही रहा था videos भी, Zara was talking about कि even though it's stage 4, I'm a bit reassured.
Reassured इसलिए थी क्योंकि उस वक्त spine में कोई 1-2 areas उसमें थी, right? Radiation से वो issue address तो हो जाता है, but still the idea is कि अगर original area से एक और area है उसमें आगे, it could be in any of your organs as well, still sleeping, right? So systemic एक issue हो गया आपका अब ये. जब एक area है उसमें होता है, अगर उधर ही address हो जाए और उधर से ना हो spread, then it's still easier. Once इस area से कहीं और areas में आ जाए, systemic हो गया अब आपका issue. It can be anywhere then.
अभी भी जो हम बात कर रहे थे, you were also talking about non-traditional methods.
Yeah.
Zara ने भी उस time बोला था, this time we're looking at it more holistically and
Yeah.
looking at other options.
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
think last time भी जब आई हुई थी Zara, she was like, I'm not going through chemo again. तो
भाई ज़ारा का जो आखिरी हफ्ता था, last week as well, I was like यार please reconsider, शायद उससे आराम आ जाए, शायद उससे improvement आ जाए. She was like no, I won't do it. उसने मतलब सोच लिया था. If there's another thing about her is that she was so opinionated and she was so strong in her opinions that there wasn't anything anyone else could say or do that would change her stances on anything.
so chemo is also hell to
And then अब इसमें सबके अंदर issue था, I saw its effects on her. ठीक है, I saw its like effects on her, and like she was a shell of her original self for so long, right? मतलब मैं आपको एक अगर example दूँ, ज़ारा की कीमो में sometimes ऐसी उसकी हालत हो जाती थी कि I would speak to her, उसको याद ही नहीं होता था कि I spoke to her, or she would sleep for 18 hours straight, और उसको याद नहीं होता था कि अच्छा मेरी like appointment में थी, हम ना होके भी आ गए hospital से. She would just sleep instantly. She would be speaking and then just sleep. There was an incident also where she went to the washroom, और उस दिन इत्तेफाक ये था कि I was at home, office मैंने शायद नहीं, मैं office नहीं होके आया था like उस दिन, so we were sleeping, और वो उठी and she went to the loo, और मुझे अंदर से ना basically skin की आवाज़ आई, like जैसे skin against something, right? इस टाइप की आवाज़ आई, and then I was like, are you okay? कोई आंसर नहीं आया. मैं उठा हूँ तो Zara was on the loo, head against the wall, eyes all upwards, and I was like, are you okay? I had to slap her a few times. फिर उसको जाके अपना होश आया. So these are the after like effects of this, right? So I saw her in like all of those stages in all of these states. So when she argued na, I could understand, and jo bhi hai, in the end at least I feel like she was still able in like a lot, like she could do all of the essentials, she could do her thing, she could do her things, and you know she wasn't active because obviously जब ना हड्डी उसमें आ जाता है तो aches तो होते हैं, but still उससे अच्छा था कि वो she couldn't, like you know, to lose the ability to speak or not do anything at all, उससे तो अच्छा ही था.
As somebody who is not married,
Me anymore?
नहीं, मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ. I can't imagine you know so how was it like? Did you have to like jo, I mean, I'm sure you couldn't bring any of your issues in जैसे कि बात हो रही है, I've gone through chemo and you're like, हाँ मेरे भी घुटने में दर्द हो रहा है,
obviously
तुम्हारा
भाई
घुटना तो अभी मैटर नहीं करता.
ये तो हमारी इस पे हमारे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते थे. So Zara had also started saying कि भाई are you okay, and I'm like yeah I'm fine. She's like I can see you कि तुम अपना ना हाथ like उठा रहे हो या कुछ यहाँ पे हो रहा है, कुछ तुम्हें issues हो रहे हैं, ये are you okay? I'm like yeah I'm fine, and she's like no, I know that you don't say anything because you don't want to highlight any of your own issues क्योंकि I'm in the state.
They probably also don't seem important ना कि
and they don't right.
कंधे का हो जाएगा क्या मसला है.
हाँ exactly, है तो है भाई, it's an injury at the end of the day. And then उस injury से in fact I would say कि मुझे और एहसास होता था कि if एक इतनी सी injury से if I'm in the state तो फिर तो उसके साथ तो इतना कुछ हो रहा है right. तो लेकिन ये तो होता था, ये एक हकीकत तो थी, मतलब I had accepted that I can't discuss issues of that sort with Zara.
Did you have any support systems yourself? मतलब क्या?
My support system, of course, like I would say on air as well and to anyone else as well, कि मेरी एक तो मेरी अम्मी अब्बू, of course, family, but then I had amazing friends, all of them, they were amazing. मतलब अभी जब ये जो आखिरी अरसा था, we were in the ICU for like a good 4-5 days and then in the ER as well for like a day or two. तो जो 7 दिन 8 दिन my friends, they were around me all the time. वो अपने ऑफिस से उठ के आ गए थे, अपने अम्मी अब्बा हैं उनको भी उन्होंने बोला हुआ था कि जी हम नहीं होंगे, ठीक है. And it's not that easy to just stop every other thing and just stay around a friend, right? So if there's anything that I'm really thankful for, it's them. Family आपकी obviously होगी आपके साथ, ठीक है, as amazing as all of them are, उनके पास तो नहीं है option, right? But my friends are amazing, honestly, and you would be shocked at how a few of them flew from all over America से, मतलब Europe से, इधर से उधर से, they flew for 30 hours straight just to be at the ICU, just to see her again.
I remember that week. I think कोई मेरी इंस्टा पे प्रोफाइल थी जिसकी स्टोरी पे दुआएं. And I think you'd put out a message.
I did.
Everybody had shared, so it was clear to see कि कितना
बहुत प्यार था.
हम अभी ये पहले भी बात कर रहे थे कि जो स्टिग्मा अटैच्ड है, you know, unfortunately we live in, we're blessed to have these things, but in पाकिस्तान जैसे मुल्क में जहाँ टैबू कंसिडर किया जाता है, जहाँ इस तरह के वाक़े आते हैं कि बीवी को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर हो गया तो मियाँ छोड़ देगा या दूसरी शादी कर लेगा, so maybe talking about your experience is also important के
yeah so you know just to add to the to your thought on this, so she would speak often at like events, right? She would be asked to speak at offices or ye or wo for awareness, etc., right? And at the end of her speeches, obviously people approached her and asked her stuff. सबसे ज़्यादा जो चीज़ उसके पास आती थी from others वो था ये कि आपके ना हस्बैंड इतने अच्छे हैं, और एंड शीट से अच्छा मतलब ठीक है वो अच्छे हैं तो सही है, इसमें क्या है? उन्होंने कहा नहीं, यहाँ तो ना शौहर नहीं होते, यहाँ तो इन लॉज नहीं अच्छे होते, दे अबैंडन लाइक एवरी वन, पीपल आर अबैंडन्ड ऑन द स्पॉट फॉर एन इलनेस. टू विच आफ्टर, सो देन वो जब आती थी from these events, right, she would say that, you know, that's why you need to also speak about your own experiences as well, because there's, even though you might seem, so I honestly still, abhi I'm on air as well, I will say this again, मैं अगर उसके लिए अवेलेबल था तो मैंने कोई चीज़ नहीं उखाड़ ली भाई. I was just being human and that's it, right? There's no, people are out there and, you know, they speak very highly of me and that's amazing, obviously. अच्छा लगता है, like of course थोड़ा सा एक ego भी आपकी थोड़ी सी उठ जाती है, लेकिन like at the end of the day I don't feel there's an achievement in being human. I would expect the exact same if it was the opposite. If I was ill, I would expect the exact same from Zara as well.
It's not ke one should give you a medal for what you did.
I know, I
but
agree.
It's also important to talk about, like वो हम यहाँ रील डाल भी देंगे. It's so beautiful to see, because unfortunately हमारी सोसाइटी में ना शादी या स्पेशली औरत तो इस तरह बात की जाती है जिस तरह बस एक रोल आपने अदा करना है.
हाँ.
So you know, even saying, not to put words in your mouth, but probably being in that relationship in that time means more to you than anything else, that you wouldn't trade the 3 years that you had, as hard as they might
No,
be.
of course not.
Like, given the option, you would be like, हाँ ले लो सब कुछ, I want to go.
Oh,
so
of
that,
course, of course.
So that fulfillment of being in a loving relationship.
Yeah, it's unmatched. It's unmatched.
So please talk about that in a society where शादी को तो हम बस समझते हैं ना कि अच्छा हाँ तो बच्चे करने की मशीन है तो बस बीमारी होगी तो छोड़ दो दूसरा कर लो. No, what's the experience of being in a loving relationship? Even
it's hard to explain. I mean, how do you explain emotion? How do you explain an एहसास? ठीक है, एक एहसास होता है, but Zara and I don't know, I feel like even though we were friends since the age of 18 and then onwards, right, I feel like with every issue, with every uphill situation, हमारी एक understanding increase होती रही, right? We were always so head on about all these issues, and those experiences I feel only hardened our understanding, only hardened our love for each other. And then I would say in this like illness, maybe in the last 2 years, 3 years, I think हम एक हो गए थे, और इस हद तक एक हो गए थे कि वो अरसा एक साइड पे और जो हमारा अर्लियर अरसा था since the age of 18 to let's say 28-29 वो एक साइड. That's how, like, you know, it sort of solidified in those last 2 to 3 years. And again, man, I don't know. I feel like we were just like, we were like opposites too. आपको तो idea है. She was out there. She was outspoken. She was opinionated. She enjoyed speaking. I'm the opposite, where I ideate and but I stay like on the edge of things. I don't enjoy the attention on me and stuff like that. I ideated, she would execute. That was our equation, and that was why I think we were successful at that. But to answer you, I just don't understand why is it absent in this society to show up. I can't answer that either.
It's a good question. Yeah, maybe हमने happy relationships इतने नहीं देखे, तो I don't think, like अगर हमारे ड्रामे भी देख लें,
हाँ, उसमें भी यही चीज़ें हैं,
ये तो नहीं पूछते
reinforce
ना
होती
कि
रहती हैं
तुम
उसमें.
खुश हो या नहीं. It's माशरा, it's family, it's society के standards. I don't think even जो लोग ये बातें करते हैं, they actually sit down and be like, everything's perfect on paper. Whatever, money, पैसा, family, everything's calm. कोई बुराई, no negative. Are you happy in a relationship? I don't think most people
think it's
ask
asked
that.
often enough,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
It's
yeah.
not asked often enough.
Yeah. So I don't think people think that's a goal.
It's not, but I feel like they start to understand that it is extremely essential, but only afterwards. In the sense that शादी आपकी ना हो जाएगी, ठीक है, ऊपर से तो लाइक हर चीज़ अच्छी होगी और हर चीज़ ऐड अपना हो रही है कि जी ठीक है, आगे वाला अमीर भी है, ये भी है, और आगे वाली खूबसूरत है, ये है, वो है, ठीक है, अच्छा ऐसा ये इक्वेशन ऐड हो रही है, शादी हो गई. इट्स ओनली आफ्टरवर्ड्स दैट यू स्टार्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इस इक्वेशन का एक बड़ा एसेंशियल हिस्सा था जो कि एब्सेंट है.
वही कॉन्वर्जेशन नहीं होती ना कि अच्छा बैठो, हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट थिंग्स. आई थिंक वी आर सो स्टक इन फायर फाइटिंग. मतलब इवन इफ यू आर नॉट इन रिलेशनशिप, अभी जो आप कह रहे हैं शादी तो हो जाएगी, तो मेरी वो शाहरुख खान की मीम आ गई थी कि सबकी नहीं होती ना. तो बट इवन आई डोंट रिमेंबर द लास्ट टाइम I sat down with my feelings to be like, oh, how am I feeling about what's happening, or how do I feel right now or this month, which people should. So even in relationships, वही बात है कि अगर let's say कोई खुश नहीं है.
For me also, I'll add, I'm interrupting you, I'm sorry about that. For me also, I'll add that Zara and I knew each other for a good 8 years also earlier. So ये भी एक बात. And not everyone has that opportunity as well to understand each other in like inside outside for so long.
How important was it throughout the process to also do normal things?
Normal thing.
I think मैंने आपको last time Andalusian पे देखा था. It was a stall, and then when Zara came, she was also talking about
so that stall,
wigs and you know, just meet as much as it's killing you, to meet friends and still maintain some semblance of normalcy.
So that event at Andalusian, that was our first ever event, ठीक है. और उसमें she was I think हम लोग 2 days like earlier hospital like उससे आए थे, उसकी appointment थी, she was going through chemo at that time, तो इसीलिए she was completely वो तो scarf था उसका, आपको याद होगा. So again underscores that despite everything, Zara to khud to she was out and out. She was like, I need to do things in life. She had that thing that she wanted to really absorb everything that life offered. So to answer you though, except for the appointments and stuff, I think we were quite sociable. We were out and about. I was active. For me, I usually try and stay active. I play some sports. I go to the gym, and I don't think those things they interrupted all of the other stuff, and all of the other stuff. It didn't interrupt our activities either.
Probably helped.
Oh, it helps a lot.
Feeling like घंटा 2 घंटा आप भूल जाओगे.
Of course. So अगर मैं अपना आपको example दूँ, for me, escapism is sport. Or the gym. Usme at least I know ke for those hours, 2-3 hours in like a day, I know I'll be in just another space where I don't have to consider any of my issues for a while at least. ठीक है. Obviously as soon as it ends and you're out of it, you're like, oh shit, yes, ये scene है असली में तो. But उसके अलावा तो I feel like it's amazing, like escapism. It's good to keep your like heart rate up. वैसे इतना हार्ट रेट लाइक उस वक्त अपना होता ही था इन ऑल ऑफ दीज अपॉइंटमेंट्स. और मुझे फिर इवेंचुअली आगा खान से भी एक लाइक आई स्टार्टेड टू एसोसिएट एंग्जाइटी टू आगा खान. तो इसमें तो आ रहा होता है सब कुछ राइट. तो उसमें आता था कि इन दोस एग्जैक्ट सेम लाइक आगा खान आवर्स हार्ट रेट अप डाउन होता था, एट्सेट्रा. बट या अदरवाइज यस ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हेल्प्ड.
शुड गो नाउ टू चेक के अगर एक परमानेंट एंग्जाइटी एसोसिएशन आगा खान से बन गई है
यार. सो अगेन फिर लाइक इवेंचुअली ऐसा हुआ था कि लास्ट ईयर व्हेन शी गॉट रीडायग्नोज्ड एंड शी हैड अ रीलैप्स, जब हमारी इनिशियल आगा खान में अपॉइंटमेंट थी, एज सून एज आई एंटर्ड आगा खान, मेरा हार्ट रेट एक्चुअली इतना हाई था कि उसकी मुझे आवाज़ आ रही थी. एंड आई वाज लाइक डूड आई कांट डू दिस. सारा आई हुई हाँ अब मेरे साथ, और मैं उसके साथ अकेला आया हूँ, एंड आई हैड टू से डूड आई कांट डू दिस, एंड शी विल बी लाइक शट द हेल अप यार, शट अप, जस्ट सिट डाउन. if I'm around, then you don't have any excuses to not be around.
So after the relapse, and I think you should be a bit careful about this. This is not medical advice. This is just
Of course,
Babar's experience. It's just
any
he's
and
not a medical
everything,
expert.
any and everything that has been uttered in this
Yeah.
episode is not
Yeah.
professional advice.
Please
This is just
consult
this
doctors,
always
take
like always ask an
separate
expert about
opinions.
everything. I am only speaking from experience.
Yeah.
That's
So what other options and what did you call it? Non-allanthropy medicine? Is that what it's called?
allopathic.
Allopathic.
Allopathic is the one that's
अच्छा,
already
हाँ.
established one hota hai.
हाँ.
So non-allopathic. So re-diagnosis hai uske baad she was quite convinced that she does not want to do any of that again. So फिर और options आ गए कि जी ये हो सकता है वो हो सकता है. So there was an option that we chose to do, which was an immunotherapy from Europe. Usme the idea is कि they extract your own blood, they re-engineer it in they re-engineer it and then it gets inserted into you again. And the idea is that augurs your immunity and that allows your own immunity to then fight the cancer. We spent a lot on it as well. I think this cost us about 18,000 euros. Steep amount.
Yeah.
So this was in September of last year. It did not help. And after that,
is it an established or is it like a
So it's not
experimental?
so it's not established. It's still like obviously if it, like अगर इतना established होता तो शायद उसके ऊपर और examples होते उसके. तो it did not help her.
This is not stem cells.
It's something along those same lines, but it's not that exactly. तो वो हुआ वो नहीं हुआ तो उसका असर नहीं हुआ. It kept so 3 months after उसका scan हुआ, it showed that it was still spreading slowly along her spine. So जब initially जब हमारी appointment थी उनके साथ for the immunotherapy, the cancer was in 2 spots. 3 months after that, it was in another spot or 2. So it was increasing even after that. Zara ने जो एक चीज़ और adopt की वो ये थी कि she started eating healthier. Okay, so हाँ इधर एक चीज़ और I feel जो बहुत essential है, which is not discussed enough. It's the fact that like eating is a big aspect of this whole equation as well, right? Hospitals में either they say eat anything you want, anything like, and I've even asked this in appointments. So I attended all of her appointments too. So I would also ask stuff at the end, and I would say, is there anything do you think should be essential in her everyday eating habits? Anything at all? They say no, eat anything you want, which can be sweet or heavy or oily, right? So
aren't you supposed to not eat any processed food?
Not if you ask them.
They'll say खा लो, McDonald's खा लो.
They would say eat anything. They would say eat anything, right? And then also after she got re-diagnosed, I then spent hours and hours on the internet trying to understand how to sort of fight this through other ways. So, and in almost every like article or any like upload I saw on the internet, there was a lot of emphasis on food. Increasing foods which increase your alkalinity. For example,
Fish.
have salads. Green salads, for example, which is not easy. And हमारा तो ये obviously South Asians का तो we enjoy our food as well. So हमने, in fact, there was this week where I said, how about we just eat salads out and out for a straight week. 5 days into it, she said, I can't do this. And that also like stopped over there. But the thing like out of all of this that needs to be highlighted is the fact that people need to emphasize enough on the foods that they eat, the foods that they should eat throughout all of this. There's not enough emphasis on this. And I feel like अगले 5 से 8 हाल में इस चीज़ पे एम्फेसिस इंक्रीज ही होगा, एंड इट बी आउट देयर ऑल दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन सून.
And not this also, I think in general.
वो तो एक अंडरस्टूड चीज़ है ना, बट इन एन इलनेस ऑब्वियसली द इक्वेशन इट्स नॉट द सेम.
लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस पता तो मुझे भी है, अगर मुझसे अभी आप पूछ लें क्या हेल्दी खाना है क्या है,
हाँ
पता तो है मुझे,
हाँ,
लेकिन मैं खाऊंगा तो कुछ और ही ना.
आप खाओगे तो कुछ और भी.
बट दैट शुड बी.
But if you're ill, you will probably stop to say, okay, fine, I think I need to eat this stuff, right?
I'm a problem. I will not be. लेकिन मतलब मुझे कई चीज़ें डॉक्टर्स ने बड़े सालों से मना की हुई हैं जो मैं खाता रहता हूँ. बट इट शुड बी अ वेक अप कॉल के यार, अगर तो when you're ill you're not supposed to eat these things, then maybe
What if I also
maybe don't wait to get ill and stop.
That's what I was about to say. That's
Yeah.
what I was like about to say. What if I say that you start eating
Yeah.
like all of this to avoid any illness at all afterwards?
Yeah.
Why is it that you need to reach a stage where you're so ill that you then say, oh my god, I need to now stop?
वही ना, आई थिंक जो अगर इलनेस में ये चीज़ें एग्जैस्परेट कर रही हैं आपकी इलनेस, तो इवन अगर आपको इलनेस नहीं है या आपको इलनेस की तरफ धकेल रही हैं, तो लोगों को जाग जाना चाहिए. और
Up to like even internationally, I'm sure like everyone's seen that there's this whole now thing where people are shifting away from smoking, alcohol, eating foods which are extremely oily, fried, etc etc etc. And I feel like अभी से आदत आएगी तो फिर उसके असरात आएंगे आगे, right?
And
So
it's also habit forming, right? I think
no, it's a habit. Like
at
it's a habit.
least मेरे बचपन में तो किसी ने बताया नहीं,
तो same.
तो वो जो बुरी आदतें हैं आपकी 30 साल तक,
Chocolates or ice creams are things that are snacks. These are approved snacks. आपकी अम्मी, आपके अब्बू, आपके लिए एक आउटिंग होती थी तो उसमें होता था कि हाँ अभी तो आइसक्रीम तो हमने ख़रीदनी है, ये कोई स्नैक हमने ख़रीदना ही है.
लाइक लाउंज में अगर आपको रात के 2 बजे कुछ चाहिए,
लाउंज में तो बस अल्लाह माफ़ करे यार, वहाँ पे तो जो ईटिंग
तो
हैबिट्स हैं,
खोका जाके फिश क्रैकर ही खाओगे ना रात को.
हाँ
वो कहाँ से बन कर आए हैं, क्या है,
क्या से वो तो we didn't stop to think about any of these things for a second, right?
बट आई फील अब ज़्यादा कॉन्शियसनेस है इवन एट लम्स. एक तो वैसे ही बड़ा हो गया, तो अब
आप होके आए हो अभी ऑफ लेट,
तो अब तो ईटिंग ऑप्शंस ही कोई 50 हैं,
बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए हैं.
बट
बहुत
आई
ज़्यादा
डू
हो गए
थिंक कि उस उम्र में भी अब लोग सोच रहे ज़्यादा हैं. लाइक अमान, मैं बड़ा, तुम तो सोच के खाते हो ना चीज़ें, या
सूखा सा तो इतना है वो बेचारा.
तुम उसको शेम कर रहे हो, रोज जिम जाता है यार, अभी प्रोटीन शेक पी के
नहीं तो स्मार्ट आदमी है ना.
हाँ, फौरन सूखे से स्मार्ट कर दिया. अभी तो सूखा बोला हुआ था. Yeah, she was also thinking about what to eat, and so मैंने लम्स में तो कभी नहीं सोचा ये सब.
अच्छा, लेकिन लाइक उधर एक और भी तो एक एलिमेंट आ जाता है ना, एज ऐसी होती है कि फील नहीं होता है लाइक इतना ज़्यादा एट दैट एज. 18-19 की उम्र में यू कैन ईट एनीथिंग एंड यू कैन लाइक
बर्न इट ऑफ.
या यू कैन बर्न इट ऑफ.
इट्स हैबिट फॉर्मिंग ना.
इट्स हैबिट फॉर्मिंग फॉर श्योर.
जो लम्स में हमारी थी कि लम्स में उस टाइम 11:30 से 1:30 बजे तक मैकडोनल्ड्स की एक डिलीवरी डील होती थी, तो बहुत सस्ती हो जाती थी, तो वी यूज्ड टू वेट एंड जस्ट ऑर्डर दैट. तो वो अगर आपको एक आदत बनी हुई है 11:30 बजे मैकडोनल्ड्स खाने की, ज़्यादा चीज़,
बिल्कुल.
सो
ये हमारी आदतें तो हैं, एंड दीज हैव बीन इनग्रेन्ड सिंस वी वर द एज ऑफ 2 or 3, and then reinforced like again at 18 or 19 as students at LUMS, for example. तो ये तो है yeah.
Even after the initial diagnosis, I think Zara भी जब आई हुई थी, she was talking about food के there's a drastic change in what's being cooked.
Yeah. So like oils, only olive oil, only ghee. We got avocado oil as well, Spain से ये वो. So ये तो हमारा था. That was, and you'll be shocked at how 2 months after that we got so in shape just by eating at home and just by like eating food in all of these oils. replacing so many things. This is the easiest. Matlab, I'm not even saying you stop eating stuff. I'm just saying replace your oils.
Yeah.
Have more eggs in like a day.
Yeah.
For example, instead of like ordering in, do that effort for yourself and just eat in.
I haven't started the effort, but I've started thinking about the effort.
तो सही है.
मैंने Instagram पे सब follow कर लिया है.
That's the first step, right?
Even if you want to make like fried chicken or stuff, there are much
You can
healthier
air fry it.
fryer,
You can air fry it and stuff.
and it doesn't have to be boring.
I've made such amazing air fried food. You'd be shocked. In fact, I'll ask you over.
What's the most amazing air fried?
Yeah,
food?
एक air fried. I made this air fried crispy chicken sandwich. It's too good. It's too good.
Next time केक के
Nah,
साथ.
done.
केक
अगली
के
बार
साथ
अगली बार
खाने को भी
वो भी लेके आएंगे.
उसकी-
लेकिन I'm saying again, these are all excuses. These are excuses that you will have अपने लिए ही.
Yeah.
और ना इंसान का यही इशू है, वो अपने आप से ऑनेस्ट नहीं होता. You will always attribute an excuse to not do something, right?
It's about taking accountability. and being
Accountability,
like, hey,
yeah, like अपने लिए ना, अपने आप उसके लिए. Zara also, she enjoyed eating food, right? And some days she got angry and like erratic too, right? उस दिन उसको होता था कि I need to eat my food. So it's not easy. It's not easy. For me, I have that ability. I can say कि अच्छा मैंने अब ये वाला अरसा I need to just eat these things and I can stick to it. I can stay active. उस अरसे में I can do all of those things. It's not in everyone, but I guess when it's about your health, there's no excuse.
So after that
Immunotherapy.
were there other things that you looked at?
So we did that immunotherapy over there in Europe. Uska asar nahi hua. There was another similar immuno which was happening in India as well. Hum originally usme like interested the. So in India, all of my in-laws, unki sari extended families are in India. So मेरे in-laws हैं, उनमें भी instances थे इस चीज़ के, right? उनमें से कोई एक थी, her example, it was exactly like as is. उसका भी example ऐसा था कि at the same age she had her first time, she was all right after that, then she had a relapse in her organs after that. तो and she was also advanced stage 4, मतलब और ना हॉस्पिटल से like ना हाथ उठा लिया था उनके ऊपर से, उनका था अब आपका नहीं होता, आपके पास बस इतना अरसा है and it's the end of it. At that time she opted for this immunotherapy in India, and from stage 4 where they had said that you have maybe a good 3 to 4 weeks, she's still alive, and I think it's been about 8-9 years now, and she's off of all treatment and she's absolutely okay. So this was also something that we had been eyeing, but क्योंकि उस वक्त इंडिया से issues इतने हो रहे थे, we had even applied for our Indian visa as well. वो अटका रहा बस, वो अटका रहा एम्बेसीज, फिर यहाँ पे हमारी शट हो गई, तो फिर हमारे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं थी, तो हमने कहा ठीक है अगर इस टाइप की एक चीज़ और यूरोप में हो रही है तो we should just opt for that to save time. So eventually this year in June, what we agreed with the Indian hospital, it was that they would fly out to Nepal, क्योंकि उनके लिए उधर आना आसान था और ना हमारा उधर आना आसान था, visa on arrival and everything. तो हम फिर उधर आ गए, and that's when we started immuno again over there. But I just think that at that stage, it was a bit too advanced. It had spread, and I think it was just a bit too late at that point. But iske ilawa, it's not like she did anything else of note except for eating healthier.
Was there a realization did she realize that it's too late now?
No. So you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked at how till the very end Zara's attitude was all that I'll be fine. To the extent where ये मुझे याद है 2 days or 3 days earlier एक हमारी like argument हो रही थी. She was saying that she wanted to have some chocolate and I said okay. तो मैंने उसको एक piece उसके लिए आ गया. उसने मुझे कहा okay, it's not enough and I said dude, it's enough, like, you know, we'll eat again but afterwards. She started screaming at me and she just like had this outburst and then I said dude, and then obviously like out of anger and annoyance I said to her ki yaar, if you don't intend to stay alive then eat anything and everything, it's fine, then like allow all of us to then enjoy. मैं क्यों इस चीज़ में मतलब why am I so into it that I have to instruct you like in each and everything and you argue after that. And then she said, ये उसके अल्फाज थे, she said you see I will stay alive and you're gonna fucking see it. So ये तो उसका attitude था until the very end. So I don't think she ever really accepted that it's too late or that she may not stay alive. I don't think. It's my own opinion though.
How was your headspace, I guess, looking at this interaction?
Man, I was all over, actually. I was all over. I would actually find solace in speaking to a few of my friends because I felt that they could understand me and I did not speak to Zara about my exact feelings because I was like, I can't add this into her issues. Like, at that time. For me, at that time, so मेरा जो आखिरी 1-1.5 साल था, it was all attuned towards her and her ease. Like, I would make her food, do all of the appointments, scans, Sara ke wo, just so that she didn't have to think about any of these things, right? So obviously उसके साथ attached emotions भी उसमें आ जाते हैं, frustrations आ जाती हैं, arguments होती रहती हैं आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ, तो वो सब कुछ था. But I tried to stay even, I tried to not argue, and in the end, so I'd accepted that even if she's angry, it's fine. So I would just allow that. I would allow all of that energy to exit her and I would just absorb all of that. And I felt that उस वक्त यही सही था. क्या होता argument था, कुछ होता भी तो नहीं.
It feels like कि आपको, you know, based on what you said, कि आपको लग रहा था कि
यार हाँ, I was scared, of course. I was scared. लेकिन I'm not the most optimistic either in life. I'm scared. And then जब मेरे अब्बा का इंतकाल हुआ उस वक्त से भी also, like I would say, so I always say that in these last 2 years I've aged a lot. Outside too, I guess, अभी देखें सफ़ेदी आ गई है इधर उधर, but उसके अलावा भी यहाँ से ना I've aged a lot. And my optimism is not where it used to be. I've also just started therapy as well, and I was asked by her in this like in my last appointment. She said to me, "Is there anything that you've adopted of late that you feel like should not exist in you?" And I stopped to think about that, and I said, "Yeah, I feel like life is just a big shitstorm with some happiness in between." I said, अब ये मेरी outlook ऐसी हो गई है. To which she said to me, and that stayed with me. She said to me that it's okay to say that. It's okay to say that it is a big shitstorm and there is happiness sometimes. But also add to that thought that from my experiences of late, that's my outlook in life, and that it will change. Because if you accept it as it is, then you'll start to see all of this in every single aspect of life. And that's not something that you should hold close to your heart.
How effective has therapy been for you?
It's been, so abhi tak I've only had 3 sessions. But it's good. It's good in that it allows me to structure my thoughts. Because, you know, ek to obviously I feel like I'm like uske alawa, it's my own assessment of me that I feel like I'm like even. I'm not volatile. ठीक है, like in that way I'm able to stay calm. Zara की जो opposite एक जो energy थी, I was the opposite energy of that. She was the more like hyped up sort of a human. I was the opposite of that. But still, I feel like it's good. It's helping for sure.
Maybe and then a trauma response also, na? Then
In fact, like an appointment or two after, she said to me that usually I do 8-9 appointments straight a week, like an appointment a week for 8-9 weeks straight. But you seem all right, and I'll allow you to schedule appointments like on your own, because this is you. It seems to me that you don't have issues that need to be addressed ASAP. So we can just go slowly according to how you feel about it.
so what's helping you? I'm assuming religion is one of those things.
It is.
because It really helped, I think, Zara as well.
It did. So like interesting that you asked this. I went for Hajj earlier, in this year as well. So in June I went for Hajj, but also I feel like I was a bit on my religious journey since the last year or so already. And so तो होता ये था कि obviously in all of this ibadat, the aim, it was always to ask Allah for ease and ask Allah for her health, etc. And Zara appreciated it, right? She said to me, in fact, जो मुझे Instagram पे उसका आखिरी जो मुझे inbox आया था, it was something which had said that when a husband asks Allah for his family, they feel like, there isn't any strength that can, outdo them. For example, कुछ इस टाइप है उसकी थी एक मील. So it just like, और वो like उसकी आखिरी Instagram की मुझे inbox आया था मुझे. तो so she appreciated it too, of course. But I do think that it really helps, क्योंकि in all of this ना, इंसान है, उसके पास answers तो है ही नहीं. We can sit and opine on all of this and exchange ideas, but at the end of the day, there's no answers to any of this, except that you accept that there is a script, and you're just like in that script as a small element, and that it adds up eventually.
So we've left it to Allah.
Is there any other option? I ask you this.
हाँ, वो तो कुरान में भी लिखा है ना कि God is the best of all planners.
Yeah.
तो हम क्या कर लें, plans
हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Yeah, exactly. So what's up? And then everyone also keeps saying that, she's not around, but you are around, you're still alive, you have so much ahead of you. You need to ensure that, that your efforts and everything is just spent towards achieving something which is way, way higher now. Higher than your own self at this point.
So you're turning despair into purpose.
Like I said again, is there any other option?
Honey, if one has to go on, which one has to?
We have to go on, right?
So
for me also, अब मैं आज आपके पास आया हूँ इधर, right? Again, I had spoke to you earlier about how I don't appreciate attention on me. Okay? But the idea is, I feel like if through these episodes, by speaking to you or anyone else, if I'm able to affect anyone at all, किसी की outlook थोड़ी सी भी अगर alter ना हो जाती है, I feel like वही है फिर, right? That's the real outcome I can appreciate out of all of this. Recently, I had a friend who sent me a message. So he said to me this. He said to me, "Yaar, seeing you and how you've acted in all of this inspires a lot of us to improve as humans. So if through any of these things I can inspire anyone at all, even to a slight extent, that's the real win."
So, जाते जाते, as we're remembering Zara today, do you have memory that comes to mind, that may be.
Zara's?
Yeah.
Zara की memory इतनी सारी हैं यार. तो आई गेस एक बार ये हुआ था कि हमारी आगा खान में अपॉइंटमेंट थी. शी वाज गोइंग थ्रू around 8 of her chemo, I think it was, and basically at every like appointment खून के scans होते हैं to see if she'll be like able to or not, and I think किसी एक चीज़ में उसका आ गया था कि she was like I think like under indexed, तो they said कि आपकी आज नहीं होगी, to which उसने सबके आगे she did that thing, you know, that floss. And it was such a funny thing to see that, you know, और उस वक्त उसका ना head scarf था, and she was, you know, skin भी उसकी थोड़ी सी अजीब सी हुई हुई थी, obviously after effect of like everything, but to see her smile and do all of those things even in that situation and that state, yeah, those things just stick, man. Those things stick.
I think it just also shows you the importance of perspective.
And I'll also add that Zara has again underscored that it's not about how long you live, it's about the impact that you have on others.
It's the quote, it's not the years in life, it's the life in the years. Or
Yeah. It's exactly, it's that. The amount of love and appreciation and just like everything that's जो आज तक आ रहा है, like I sleep, जब मैं उठता हूँ तो मुझे कोई ना रोज hundreds of inboxes आए हुए होते हैं Instagram पे, and it just like again it's impact.
So please जो लोग सुन रहे हैं उन चीज़ों को seriously लें. खुदा का वास्ता है, examine
regularly.
Yeah.
And to all of the husbands out there, please be supportive, please be available, please show abundant love, show affection, and सब पे इम्तिहान आता है. अगर आज उन पे आया है तो आप पे भी आ सकता है. So be an example for everyone, so that if it's the opposite, आपके साथ भी अच्छा ही हो फिर.
Yeah, and I hope people, I know a lot of people who are struggling with a lot of things, listen to podcasts. I think Zara's life should give you that perspective कि यार जिस तरह आपने भी बोला, ठीक है shitstorm है भी, but अगर आप सोचते रहोगे shitstorm है तो shitstorm ही रहेगा.
हाँ, exactly right.
थोड़ा sunshine अगर नहीं है लाइफ में तो खुद पैदा करने की कोशिश करो. Be that sunshine. And
the thing is, if you need to be alive, might as well try and be happier.
Yeah.
Try and find a light, try and find an aim in life.
Yeah.
For me, Abhi, it's just to, you know, ensure that she stays alive through my acts of, you know, like information being spread or speaking or anything. That is the only thing that keeps me on this avenue at the moment.
So please, for all the women listening out there, examine. For all the men listening out there, for the women in your life, ask them. Go together. जाएं appointment में जाएं. Make an activity out of it. Like
make an activity out of it and make it into something that's acceptable.
Yeah.
Right, like
यहाँ पे तो breast बोल नहीं सकते.
breast बोल भी नहीं सकते वरना तो अस्तगफिरुल्लाह हो जाता है शुरू.
So please ये चीज़ें normalize करें हमारी society.
Discuss it. And I think सबसे important है ये कि as adults तो obvious है ना, ये बात तो obvious है कि you should be informed, but I feel like as adults you should ensure that families are aware of this. Everyone who's even like underage, they should know it's okay to speak about all of these things. शायद अच्छा ही हो कि अगर उनको छोटी सी उम्र में आदत हो जाए to examine, it might be easier.
If you have a younger sister, you have a daughter, take them. They'll be like, where's mama going? Mama's going for annual examination, so they know that there's something that I need to do when I grow up. इन चीज़ों को normalize करें. I've lost 2 friends to this by now, so
Yeah. Again मुझे भी सोच रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा सा कुछ हो रहा है, but to think again that वो भी यहाँ पे आई थी to speak to you not so long ago.
Yeah, and even that podcast is quite cheery. So
तो मुझे तो यही याद आ रहा है कि he was smiling throughout all of that.
yeah,
Set an example.
shows you how fickle time is also, right? You think कि है आपके पास, but
I'll end this I'll end this on this that जब मेरे अब्बू का इंतकाल हुआ था he was 66. At that time I said कि ये तो उनकी कोई उम्र नहीं थी, right? Zara was exactly half of that age. She was 33. And I was like कि अब जब मेरे अब्बू हैं उनका इंतकाल हुआ था तो I thought उनकी तो कोई उम्र ही नहीं है, लेकिन अगर इतना ही अरसा और इसके साथ ना होता वो एक इटर्निटी होती. Life is just like there's no equation in life. There's no equation. You could be the most strong and the most vibrant human being and then you aren't. Split second.
yeah, shows how little control we have as human beings.
I would even say ये भी एक overstatement. There's no semblance of control at all. That's how I would put it. What you can do is be kind, be generous in your affection and your love, and just be around, man. Be available.
Be around, be available, be loved and loved. Thank you, Babir.
Thank you, man.
Conversation. Thank you, everybody. Take
It was
care.
a pleasure
Bye-bye.
being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.